Top 10 Scariest Planets in the Universe. Space is vast, mysterious, and terrifying. While Earth is our safe haven, there are planets out there that seem like nightmares brought to life. From worlds of eternal darkness to planets where it rains molten glass, today we'll take you on a journey through the top 10 scariest planets in the universe. Buckle up, because some of these are truly the stuff of nightmares. WASP-12b, the doomed planet. Visuals: a massive, bloated gas giant being consumed by its star. First on our list is WASP-12b, a planet that is literally being eaten alive. This hot Jupiter orbits so close to its star that its atmosphere is being stripped away, turning it into an elongated, distorted world. Scientists estimate that in just a few million years, this planet will be completely devoured. It is also one of the hottest exoplanets ever discovered, with temperatures soaring above 600 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Celsius. The intense heat causes the planet's atmosphere to swell, making it appear larger than it should be. If you were somehow able to stand on its surface, assuming there was one, you'd be vaporized in an instant. HD 189733b, the glass rain planet. Visuals: a blue planet with violent winds and shards of glass flying through the atmosphere. At first glance, HD 189733b looks like a beautiful blue marble, similar to Earth. But don't be fooled. This planet has winds reaching up to 5,400 miles per hour, 8,700 kilometers per hour, and it rains molten glass sideways. The deep blue color of the planet comes from sea-like particles in its atmosphere, which scatter blue light. These particles then condense into glass, which gets hurled sideways by the hurricane force winds. If you ever set foot here, you'd be shredded to pieces in an instant. PSAB-1257+12b, the zombie planet. Visuals: a lifeless, desolate world orbiting a pulsar. Ever wondered what happens to a planet after its sun dies? PSAB-1257+12b is one such world, orbiting a pulsar, an ultra-dense, rapidly spinning neutron star, constantly bombarded by deadly radiation and bathed in an eerie glow. This planet is a reminder that even in death, some worlds still linger. Pulsars emit intense beams of radiation, which would sterilize any potential for life. This planet and its neighbors are essentially cosmic ghosts, remnants of a former solar system that was destroyed when their star went supernova. TRES-B, the darkest planet. Visuals: a pitch-black gas giant reflecting almost no light. TRES-B is the darkest planet ever discovered, reflecting less than 1% of the light it receives. This gas giant is blacker than coal, making it one of the most unsettling places in the cosmos. If you were floating above it, you'd see almost nothing, just an endless abyss of darkness. Scientists believe its darkness is due to an unusual chemical composition that absorbs nearly all light. It does, however, emit a faint red glow due to its extreme heat, giving it an eerie appearance like a smoldering ember in the void of space. Kepler-7b, the hellish furnace. Visuals: a fiery, molten world glowing with heat. Kepler-70b is the definition of a hellish nightmare. This planet once orbited a dying star that expanded into a red giant, and instead of being destroyed, it survived barely. Now, it's an inferno, with surface temperatures reaching 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 3,900 degrees Celsius, hotter than some stars. The intense heat has lightly stripped away most of its atmosphere, leaving behind a rocky core exposed to space. It orbits its star so closely that a year on this planet lasts just a few hours. Gliese-436b, the burning ice planet. Visuals: a planet covered in exotic ice that burns. Gliese-436b is home to a bizarre phenomenon: burning ice. Due to immense gravitational pressure, water on this planet is compressed into a solid state called Ice 7, while its surface reaches temperatures of 820 degrees Fahrenheit, 439 degrees Celsius. Despite the heat, the ice remains solid because of the planet's intense gravity. This creates an environment where fire and ice coexist in a way that defies common sense. HD 209,458b, the evaporating planet. Visuals: a planet with a massive comet-like tail. HD 209,458b is slowly disappearing into space. This gas giant is losing its atmosphere due to extreme radiation from its star, creating a massive, comet-like tail. If this planet were Earth, our oceans and atmosphere would be ripped away in mere moments. Scientists estimate that it loses thousands of tons of hydrogen every second, making it one of the most extreme examples of atmospheric erosion. 55 Concrete E, the Diamond Hellscape. Visuals: a rocky world with molten lava oceans and diamond formations. Imagine a planet covered in diamonds. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, 55 Concrete E is more of a nightmare. This planet has a carbon-rich composition, meaning its surface could be littered with diamond formations. But don't get too excited, its temperature reaches 400 degrees Fahrenheit to 427 degrees Celsius, and it's constantly bathed in extreme radiation. The extreme heat likely means any diamonds formed would be mixed with molten lava, making mining impossible. COROT7b, the Molten Rock World. Visuals: a planet with lava oceans and volcanic eruptions. COROT7b is a place of eternal fire and destruction. With temperatures soaring up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Celsius, the surface is covered in oceans of molten lava. Volcanic eruptions are constant, and the atmosphere is filled with rock vapor. Scientists believe this planet may have once been similar to Earth before being transformed into a world of fire. HD 189733b, the most violent planet. Visuals: a swirling, stormy hellscape. Taking the #1 spot is HD 189733b, a planet so terrifying that it deserves another mention. Not only does it rain molten glass, but its extreme storms and winds would make it impossible to survive for even a second. This planet is the ultimate cosmic nightmare. The atmosphere is rich in hydrogen, making it highly reflective and enhancing its eerie blue glow. With 5,400 miles per hour winds and scorching heat, it's one of the most inhospitable planets ever discovered. Compared to these terrifying worlds, Earth is a paradise. But who knows what else is lurking in the vastness of space? New discoveries are being made all the time, and perhaps even scarier planets are waiting to be found. If you enjoyed this journey through the most terrifying corners of the universe, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.